Hey everyone, it's Miss Trish from the Warren-Trumbull County Public Library. I've got some New Year's Eve crafts for you, just in case you don't have a chance to go out to the store to buy some party decorations. I have got the solution for you. Would you like to learn how to make this great New Year's Eve hat? Look, all you need is a paper plate. And you could use some extra paper, you need some glue, tape, whatever you have. So, take your paper plate this way and you're gonna color it however you want. Any color you choose. I mean, I do like, my favorite color is green, and then I like purple, and pink is fun too. So I'm just adding some colors. However you want to add colors on it. You don't have to color all the way around, you only have to color like halfway around. It depends on how big your head is. You might want to color a little bit more, a little bit less. This Trish has kind of got a big head, so I have to color a little more. Okay, wait, I'm going to do color. So here's some more purple. And you can use whatever colors you want, whatever kind of designs you want. Completely, entirely up to you. Let's see. Lastly, I'm going to use my favorite color. Do you remember what color I said? Green. Yep, that's my favorite color. I like all shades of green. I like lime green, I like grass green, I like army green, I like bright green, pastel green, any shade. I kind of like them all. So, I think this looks good. What do you think? So, now you ask, how do you make a hat from a plate? Well, that's why you need your scissors. So you're going to cut around. So you're going to cut across here. Just cut here. Then you're going to cut the inside right there. Okay. Cut along this circle. You could see me doing it. Just cut along the circle just like this, because this is the part that's going to go on your head. And on my head, I like to put a little message, Happy New Year or something. So, you can write that. Happy New Year. I'm ready for a new year. How about you? I have lots of plans in the new year. I do plan on going sled riding, building a snowman, and today, as I'm doing this video, it's snowing. I cannot wait to go home and walk in the snow. So I just wrote Happy New Year. And you can either, if you have extra paper at home, you can add some decorations to the top. You can use the inside of your plate and you can add some decorations. And you can use markers, or you can use crayons or scissors, whatever you like. So I kind of like the triangles. I just think they look pretty neat. So I'll add some triangles, just like this. And yellow's just a happy color. So I want to add some yellow, and I think yellow complements the pink and green and purple too. Now, you can glue it on, you can tape it on. Just turn it over, spread that glue. I like to tape it on the back or glue it on the back, add it right to the back. You can make it look like two horns. You can make it like this all the way across. I'll add my light one in the middle. Just like that. And then you could just put it on your head, just like that. So I hope this gave you an idea of how to make a New Year's Eve party hat, DIY party hat, if you don't have a chance to go to the store. Enjoy! Hey, I've got another DIY New Year's Eve craft for you. It's a noisemaker. Everyone needs a noisemaker. Like I said, if you don't have time to go out to the store, you can make one right at home. All you need is some kind of water bottle, a plastic bottle, empty toilet paper roll, I use leftover paper plate, so whatever I'm pouring in here doesn't go sprawling all over the place. So first of all, you have to find what you want to put in your water bottle that makes noise. I have some beads. I have a container with rice. You can use coins. You can use some beans. You can use some pasta. Whatever you have at home that makes some noise. So you need to fill it up. And I put my paper plate underneath of here, so if it falls on it, it might not go rolling off the table, and you might not have to crawl around and find all the stuff that falls onto the floor. Look at that. Ah, there's a few, just like that. And you can fill it up as high as you want. It makes different sounds. If you fill it up higher, it makes a different sound. I kind of like this sound. Ah, I think that's loud enough. So make sure that you put this lid on nice and tight. Okay, so now we need, this is a fine handle. I just happen to get a good water bottle, but I've got a toilet paper roll. That'll go on top of there. But I want to decorate it, so I thought I would roll it in a piece of construction paper. And you can tape it, or you can glue it, whatever you want. But I do have a trick for you, a little tip. Do not use Scotch tape. You know, the tape that you use to wrap presents? Because if you want to draw on it, it just wipes right off on your fingers. So I suggest this kind of tape. So it works better. Oh, one more piece of tape, or like I said, you could use some glue. So I'm going to put that on here. And you can decorate your handle however you want. You can put your name on here. You can just do some decorations, whatever you like. And yes, I'm using the color green because if you watched my hat project, you know that green is my favorite color. So now you put this on here, just like that. Now you're gonna have to secure it on there, and you can use some tape. Tape that around there. Tape it on. Just like this. And then I also have some colorful tape here, just to add a little zing, a little interest to my handle here. And then you've got a New Year's Eve noisemaker.